In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery on this Ram 5500 key fob. This key fob has been used since 2019 all the way up to present day, and it takes one CR2450 battery. If you want to get one of these online, I will put a link in the description so you can pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. First step is just to push on this button so we can remove the internal key. Now, we will be removing the back part of this device. It's just a thin piece of plastic. It's flexible. The easiest way to do this is with something like a precision screwdriver. And if you don't have something like this, you can use a flathead. It's just a little bit more difficult. If you want to get something like that, you can pick up a pack of these on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. I'll leave a link down in the description if you're interested. So what we want to do is come into the left hole. First, you want to go into the left hole, pry up, and then the right hole and pry up. And I'll show you that right now. You insert it in a little bit and lift up until you hear a pop. And now you can see the left side is coming free. And now we'll do the same on the right side. Go in a little bit until you can lift up and the whole thing comes open like that. Let's just say you have the regular screwdriver. Same thing, just come in with the corner into that same area. Okay, wiggle it in and turn it like a key. Get the left side open, same thing. Corner into that hole, turn like a key, and we are in. Now, it's really easy. You just pull down the battery so this lip, you can just pull out the battery just like that with your fingernail. Here is a 2450. It's like a brand new one. Make sure this positive side is face up. Slide it in and push it up into place like it was before. And all that's left is just to click on the back and we are finished. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to give us a like or leave us a comment. And for more information on how to change the battery for any of your key fobs from any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.